Right now, most developers are building AI apps by connecting the frontend directly to the LLM API. It's fast, it's easy, and architecturally speaking, it's a disaster. When you expose your model directly, you are leaving it naked to the world. No rate limiting, no validation, and no protection against attackers trying to reverse engineer your prompt or steal your model weights. We are building powerful engines, but we are forgetting the cockpit and the armor. To solve this, we look at TOGAF Phase C, Information System Architecture. This phase is all about defining major type of systems needed to support the business. In a secure AI ecosystem, TOGAF teaches us that the engine, which is the AI model in our case, and the interface, which is how the users interact, shouldn't be the same thing. We need a central architecture component to manage the flow. Think of it like a secure AI gateway. In phase C, we define application architecture. Instead of one monolithic block, we split the system into engine and shield. The AI gateway is your security sidekick. Here are three critical things it does at the architectural level. First, request validation and PII scrubbing. Before a prompt ever touches your model, the gateway checks it. It scrubs out sensitive PII, which is personally identifiable information, so your model provider never sees the data they shouldn't. Second, rate limiting and cost control. AI tokens are expensive. The gateway ensures one bad actor can't spam your API and burn your entire monthly budget in 10 minutes. Third, model inversion protection. This is the big one. Attackers use model inversion to send thousands of clever queries to try and extract your model's weight or private training data. A secure gateway detects these patterns and shut them down before they can map your model's brain. Today's tiny tech tip. Implement semantic caching at the gateway level itself. By caching common queries on their meanings rather than just exact text, you reduce the number of hits to your actual model. This doesn't just save the money, it reduces the attack surface by limiting how much raw data an attacker can pull from your engine. Remember, a great AI app isn't about the smartest model. It's about the strongest architecture. By applying TOGAF Phase C, you are building a system that is scalable, governed, and most importantly, secure. If you're ready to start architecting for the future, make sure you check out my new playlist on PQC and TOGAF. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tiny tech talks. I'm Amit, and I'll see you in the next one.